Hello, in this video I will show you how to turn on TECNO phone. So basically it's really easy. If you would like to turn on TECNO phone, every TECNO device, all you need to do is locate this power key. As you can see right here at the bottom of the volume keys, you've got the power key, and if you hold down this power key for a long time, as you can see, if I press once, only screen is turning on and off, but the phone is always switched on. But if you hold down the power key for like 5 seconds, you will see the following menu. And here it's really easy to choose power off by tapping and tap to power off again. And the TECNO mobile is switching off. Let's wait a few seconds. That's it. Your phone is switched off. As you can see, the phone doesn't respond to any of the keys. Even if I press the power key, the phone is switched off. But if I would like to turn on the device, I need to press power key one more time, but also for a long time, like for example 3 or 5 seconds. The phone is vibrating and the TECNO smartphone is turning on. And that's it. As you can see, now you can enter your pattern and use your device. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.